Hi friend, continually to repairing computer chips. If you follow me the other video, you see how we want to measurement and check the IC. So now I don't to get the name of the IC, and then I want to paste it again. This IC now the number is the IC P4712. So today I want to show you that how you want to replace your IC in your motherboard. If you want more and more information, my brothers, it's better to subscribe my channel. You have a more and more important things. If you don't forget, in other video I will show you that how you promote your IC chips. So now I want to show you that how you want to replace your IC chips. So let's use your hand blower, any hand blower you use, to make sure your motherboard is working normally. So my brother, don't use your hand blower. It's better to check your hand blower is working normally. If you look this hand blower, the hand blower is blowing hot. So now if you join me, you see how you put your IC chip in motherboard. So my brother, be taking care with your hand and be taking care with your damaged boards. Don't blow in your board. It's better taking care using your blower. Don't use your own brains. Don't put that IC hand by sets or upside down. So brother, if you look here, I was using my hand blower to place the IC chip. If you look here, I replace the IC.